Right then, the wild garlic mania continues, and this time it's in the form of wild garlic oil, and this is flavour packed, pungent and super useful, and it will last in the fridge for about 5 days, or you can freeze it. And all you need to do is wash your wild garlic and pat it dry, get as much of that water off as possible because you don't want that going into the oil. Pop it into your food processor, or liquidizer rather, and then you want to add about enough oil to come halfway up the garlic. I'm using a rapeseed oil, but use whatever you want. Olive oil works well. Blend this until it gets hot. It will go to about 70 degrees C, and what this will do is it will cook the wild garlic out and get all that colour and chlorophyll out, but also it just takes the rawness away as well. So when it's smoking, it's ready. It blended for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Then strain it through a double layer of muslin cloth and let this drip through. Make sure you've got a bowl underneath to catch it, and then you're going to bring the edges up, tie it, or use an elastic band. I find a lot easier. And then you're going to get a butcher's hook and just hook it up and then hang it from your cupboard or the ceiling or your door frame, whatever you've got, and just let that drip through. It'll only take half an hour or so for this amount. I made about 500 mils, and you've just got this pure, clean wild garlic oil that's packed full of goodness as well, and flavour of course. And then you want to bottle it up, and as I said, 5 days in the fridge to keep that vibrant green colour, or failing that you can batch freeze it and pull it out whenever you need it. But the viscosity on this is incredible.